Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something that's been frustrating a lot of Windows users, Microsoft Edge eating up way too much RAM. If your PC slows down while browsing, especially with multiple tabs open, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to limit Edge's memory usage step by step, no advanced skills needed. Our first and most powerful tool is a feature Microsoft built specifically for this problem. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Now go to the System and Performance section on the left sidebar. Click the Performance option. Here you can enable efficiency mode. You'll also see options to adjust the time for inactive tabs. You can set it to a shorter period instead of the default 30 minutes. You can also turn on the Enable Resource Controls toggle. Use the Control How Much RAM Edge Can Use slider to set a limit. Choose the Always option and Edge will now stay within the RAM limit you've set. And finally, be mindful of how many tabs you keep open. Group tabs or use bookmarks instead of dozens of open pages. Even with sleeping tabs, a huge number of tabs still takes a toll on memory. And that's it. Simple ways to limit Microsoft Edge's RAM usage and keep your PC running smoothly. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.